Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be looking at one of the trade setup that I gave earlier in the hours of this morning. Earlier this morning I gave a trade setup. I sent it to the Telegram group. We'll be looking at it quickly and examine how I took the trade, and it's still currently running, right? I'm going to show us the profits and also the markup in this trade, right? All right guys, before I proceed, I want to say a big thank you for those that subscribe here to this channel. If you're new and this is your first time, welcome. And this is the home of Deriv indices, where we make money using the Deriv market. Kindly ensure that you subscribe, you like, and you comment. All right, quickly let's go into the chat. So we know we have this setup on our VIX 25-1S, right? Let's not forget. Okay, VIX 25-1S. This is our setup on VIX 25-1S. We said the market has been moving in a channel, right? So we have that first touch, second touch, third touch, the first, second, and we're expecting the third, right? So we said that we were looking for the market opportunity for the market to do what? To go up to the upside. I don't know what's happening. All right, we're looking for the market to at least go to the upside, right? We're looking for the market to push to the upside, creating higher highs, and then touch this fourth channel before it starts selling to the downside. That was our analysis prior to this time. If you remember, we even had it still here. Market trending to the upside, touch this channel, and then start selling off to the downside. That has been our analysis, right? On the 4-hour time frame, the same thing. However, yesterday, instead of the market to keep buying to the upside, we saw that it started selling to the downside, right? The market started selling to the downside, and we also have drawn this trend line to help guide us, right? These are guiding trend line to know when there's a break of market for us to start selling. Remember, it was for us to start selling, meaning that after the price has done its old drama to the upside, and then once it starts selling to the downside, it's going to break this trend line, violate this trend line, retest it, and follow that sell to the downside. That was the original idea, right? But we know that the market hasn't got into this channel yet. However, we are beginning to see it sell to this zone, right? So I started noticing it in the early hours, late hours of yesterday, and the market was selling and approaching this trend line, which means that once it gets to this trend line, it's going to bounce back, right? Because we're not done with our buy. And if you check very well, we have the first touch, second touch here, and this is going to be our third touch, right, in the market. So we had that happening already, and it was quite impressive because we know that, of course, the market respects price action very well, especially this market. So what did I do? I came to the 1-hour time frame, allow all of this sell drama to happen. There was no point entering early or trying to jump or trying to catch early entry. No, we just allowed the sell to happen, and then wanted to see when we have a proper break of trend line to the upside for us to start buying. And that was when I gave the analysis that I gave the trick call in the Telegram group. If you're not yet in the Telegram group, you can check the description of the channel. You're going to see the link there. You can join from that place, right? So on the 1-hour time frame, it kept selling to the downside. The moment price got to this trend line, what did I do? I switched to my 5-minute time frame, right? I switched to my 5-minute time frame, and I was looking for entry, right? I was looking for entry. So price came, so price did as if it was going to buy from this zone, guys. I was really excited just to see a breakout and then follow, but boom, nonetheless, it started selling off again. I'm like, okay, no problem, there's no drama, let's just wait and then be patient for this market. So we had the first touch here, second touch, third touch here, and price failed to break above this, right, as at that time yesterday. So what did I do? How was I able to enter this trade and give you trick call in the group? I went to M3, right? That's 3 minutes time frame, and I saw something very, very interesting, right? So on the 3-minute time frame, this is what the market was doing. We had the first touch here, the second touch here, the third touch here, and price started moving to the downside, and then another trend line was formed here, right? We have the 1, 2, and then ultimately that price is going to touch it and start going to the downside. However, we didn't have that. Instead, we have a break of this trend line here. A break of this trend line that is also in line, a break of this M3 trend line, right? That is also in line with what? The 1 hour trend line below here. Let me put it back on 1 hour. This 1 hour trend line here is still here. Now check the M3. You have a break of the trend line just above it. So I saw the break of this. If the price violated this trend line, this M3 trend line, bullish, you can see it, and then retested it, and see the candlestick we have, right? The morning star or evening star formation. 1, 2, 3. I entered here, right? And then SA was below here. It was a flawless trade without any drawdown. No drawdown, like it was a flawless trade, right? So we entered here from this zone, somewhere around this zone. Our SL was below here, and then the first take profit is a whole lot of journey, right? The first take profit journey is at least, let me put it on 4 hours so we can see it. At least our first take profit will be somewhere around here, because we expect this market to keep moving. Say we want to take profit from this market, we expect this market to keep moving to the upside, at least for now. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is what we have as take profit for now. Ultimately, where will our take profit be, guys? Our take profit will be here, because this market has a whole lot of potential. This channel, right? That will be the second take profit. It's a long-term trade. That's why we don't rush to catch trade in this market. So once you enter the market and then you get a sweet spot to enter, like something like this, just break even. And I told us yesterday, we just break even and then allow the trade to run, right? So you enter from here and the market is correct. I'm going to attach my own screenshots too, somewhere around this post, so you can see my trade also, right? The stop loss was around $5 thereabouts, $5, and as you speak currently, your account should be reading nothing less than 22 or 20, probably $20 or so, right? We've done 3x already as we speak, right? If I'm not wrong, I believe I'm not wrong. I'll check once I'm done. I'll also attach my own screenshots to this, right? So this was not even our original trade. This is not even the major trade, not like the original, but this is not the major trade. This is preparation for the major trade, right? Because by the time we said we buy to this zone and price begins to sell off, that's another huge move again to the downside for us, right? That being said, so that's one beautiful analysis that we did. Very, very, very beautiful. Let me recap again. We had this price broke this M3 trend line and then broke to the upside, had a retest, and we entered from somewhere beautiful around here. And look at where the market is. Our SA was just below here, guys. Our SA was just below this. Very, very beautiful to see, right? And all was trend line, pure price action, trend line, candlestick pattern, things that are very, very understandable and comprehensible in the market. All right, that being said, this trade is still running. I believe everybody is still holding. Those that are in the channel, and they are still holding as we speak. So there's also another trade I'm looking at this morning that we might want to explore, and I think that is it step 2 okay, awesome. Step 200 daily, right? This is what we have on step 200 daily, guys. Let me delete this. On the is this daily time frame or weekly time frame now? Okay, on the daily time frame, see, price has respected this trend line how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3, right? And we're expecting also and look at this on the downward channel or flag, right? Pinlock flag. You have 1, 2. So what am I expecting? Look at this. I think I made the analysis on this guy yesterday. I gave the breakdown of how I intend to enter this market. I want to see the market break above this trend line, right? Break above this trend line, retest the trend line, and then we start to buy. This journey is going to be long, guys. This journey is going to be very, very long in terms of profit, right? Once we're able to find good spots to enter this market, it's going to be a very sweet ride to the upside. So this is one thing I'm looking at as we speak, combined with VIX 25-1S. We are not done with this market yet. In fact, we're just starting, right? Because price has just moved a bit, right, from where we want it to go. Look at where there's still enough place for price to move to, right? We still have all of this journey, so it's a swing trade. So one thing you can do is to book some profit, secure some profit. If you have multiple positions running, secure from some profit. I did that already, and you can now allow break even and allow the trade to run, right? Hopefully we're going to see that smooth ride to the upside. Of course, might not be necessarily today because it's a huge move. Probably will take 1 or 2 days extra for it to keep moving to the upside. All right, that being said, this is a good place to tell us to subscribe if you have not done that yet. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Ensure you subscribe. Ensure you share this link. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this analysis, and of course, like it. Like if it was helpful to you, right? It was helpful to you. Ensure you like it, guys. In bulk of the people watching my video here, they are non-subscriber from data and reports YouTube is sending to me. So ensure you subscribe and let's grow this community together, right? The Telegram channel is absolutely free. I've seen some people are joining already. If you're yet to do that, ensure you do. And some people have been asking me what services do I provide. Let's just keep that for now, right? Just keep that for now. And keep making money from the market, right? But if you have pressing issues you want to discuss with me in terms of business, you can slide into my DM and we can have a conversation about that. That being said, thank you for joining. We'll be dropping other videos as time goes on to also help understand the market better. That being said, I wish you all profitable trading. Ensure you maximize this trade, especially the one coming up on step 200 index. Ensure you maximize it. Let's make money. Until next time, I wish you profitable trading. Cheers and God bless, guys. God bless.